I started early on Amazon. And because I started early on Amazon and I went all in into the platform because I wanted to leverage existing traffic. I didn't want to go and create my own Amazon. That whole romantic idea of creating your own Amazon, you got to understand something. This is very important to understand. Common sense is also such a crucial element to anybody's success. You got to understand that the people that have built successful e-commerce platforms, you can count them with the fingers of your hands. You can go to the Powerball and try to win the lotto every single day. And potentially, you're going to accomplish that particular win faster than actually building the next social media. Now, if you are a total romantic about it and you want to go all in because you believe in yourself and you want to prove me wrong in the future, then go for it. But my success has revolved around understanding that what I need to do is leverage existing traffic opportunities right now. Where can I get the most attention at the lowest cost?